Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to introduce our E57 motorcycle to our deliver box business scenario area. And TYCORUN was established in 2018. We have already have 7 years experience in this area. We not only can provide our motorcycle deliver box, the helmets and the safety units. And let's start. We are going to see the details of the motorcycle. Our TYCORUN can do OEM and ODM of the motorcycle, and each motorcycle we can change the color and put your logo on it. And every month we can produce 70,000 motorcycle per month. And this motorcycle maximum speed is 85 km per hour. We equip with 2 pieces of the battery. Each battery is 45 ampere hour or 40 ampere hour. Let's see the details. And each motorcycle we can run 200 km range. So if you are doing deliver business, deliver company business, this kind of motorcycle is really suitable for you. And this motorcycle, this screen is a simple one. We also can discuss or customize the screen for you using TFT screen. And this is our LED box. LED box, it can for you to do in advertising. You guys can replace this label for you, so you can do whatever advertising you want in the local. And this deliver box, we have 3 sizes. First one, second, and this 3 size. So easier and it's good for you to do advertising in local. And this deliver box, each size is 50 cm, height is 50 cm, and then wide is also 50 cm. So it can put a lot deliver takeout food inside. And we support sample testing. If pilot order, we can customize the color and the logo of your motorcycle. If you are interested in doing battery swapping systems, including the Capnic motorcycle battery and the deliver box, TYCORUN is the reliable partner for you to doing this kind of business. If you are interested in it, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.